What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do an oil change on a 1980 Yamaha QT50. It is a very easy and simple process, but if you mess something up, you could possibly hurt your motor. So with that, let's go ahead, don't skip any parts of this video, and get right into this oil change. And if you need to see how to start this bike up, top right of your screen. So again, it's very simple. Here's your drain plug right here, and here's your fill. And anybody curious on what we're putting in this bike, we are going to be putting in 10W40. And judging off of the case here, we have to put about 300 milliliters of oil into this. So let's go ahead. I have a measuring thing here. I like to see exactly how much I pull out of the bike and check my metal shavings and whatnot. So let's go ahead and pop this drain plug off. And don't forget, it's extremely helpful to run your bike and get your oil hot. And while that's draining, we're going to go ahead and take this guy off. Make sure to be extremely careful with this because this is just plastic and you can easily break this. Taking a look at this, it does look like there's an O-ring up here, so make sure you don't have any cracks or that it's broken because you'll definitely want to replace that if so. And looking at this oil, I'm really glad that we're replacing it. If we are putting in 300 milliliters, it does look like this was overfilled just a little bit, but I guess rather safe than sorry. We just pretty much have to measure out our 300 milliliters of oil and get ready to put it in the bike. Now, the drain bolt does have a copper crush washer, and if you guys are watching this video before ordering stuff, I would definitely suggest you ordering a new crush washer. Either way, make sure to inspect this before reinstalling. And again, be very careful with how tight you put this fill plug, because again, it's plastic and it is very easy to strip this. And there you go. That's how you replace the oil in your 1980 Yamaha QT50. If this video was helpful, please feel free to leave a thumbs up down below. And if you enjoy moped content in general, just hitting that subscribe button. As always, guys, I hope the video helped and ride safe.